Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see what is software testing. So we are going back to zero in software testing. In the sense, till now, like you have seen many videos about advanced stuff. What is automation testing, different tools using automation testing, API testing, performance testing, and lot more tools. But we just wants to cover the basic for one who wants to enter into QA. Okay, so whatever video I have done for already QA professional, this video is for one who wants to enter into QA or beginners in QA. For them it will be helpful. So what is basically software testing? I think this video may help you. It is like you have seen many blogs, you have seen many definitions, videos, lot of stuff, but still I'm doing it just to make it very simple. There might be some mistakes also, or but you will understand. Even there is a mistake, you will understand exactly, even if you are not understanding this is what testing or that is what testing, like that. Okay, so what is software testing? Software testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of the software product or service under test. This is nothing but definition from Wikipedia. Okay, so just read it, it's okay. Then another definition: software testing is a process to evaluate the functionality of a software application with an intent to find whether the developed software met the specified requirement or not, and identify the defect to ensure that the product is defect free in order to produce the quality product. So here there are two definitions, like ensure there is the product met with the requirement, and find a defect and make sure it's defect free. Okay, so this they are trying to tell you. So basically, so okay, these two are almost you will understand at least second one. But for a layman, one who does not know about quality, one who does not know about requirement, they don't know anything about quality product, nothing. Okay, but he wants to know what is software testing. So software testing. So basically, what is tasting? So basically, when you make some food, you will go home and see. I will taste it. Okay, what is that? So someone from your home, they cook. You are going and tasting. Is it good or not? Is it fine or not? Okay. Similar way, the software you are going to do it. Is it working fine or not? Is there any issue? For example, in food, if there is salt less, you can add it, right? Likewise. So in software also, you can tell to the developer, these are all missing, you can add it. Okay, I think you got it in a simple way. What is software testing? First one, requirement analysis, test planning, test case design, environment setup, test execution, test closure. So this is what predefined STLC. But in the real time, it depends on the company and it depends on the project and depends on your manager where you are. Okay, so it's there are depends. There are a lot in between. So you cannot always expect the same flow. It will be there indirectly. There are some cases, some are silent. Something like environment setup, you may not see at initial space. If you're working from initial, you can see that. So first is like requirement. So what is requirement analysis? You will get about the product. So nowadays, like if you get the requirement properly, you can read and see it and do it. Or else you will get int like okay, you have to test similar to phone pay, something like that. That you have to analyze and be ready. Then test planning. So then once you get it, then you have to say, okay, this is mobile application or web application. Web in the sense, what are the browser? Mobile in the sense, what are the mobile version? So these are the plan you have to carry forward. Then test case design in the sense, test. You have to write a test cases or test scenarios. Then environment setup for mobile. What setup you have to get the build and you have to install. If it is separate environment, QA environment, like your lead or someone will set up and you have to just test execution you will be actually. So then you have to start execute the test whatever you have written or your colleagues has written. So while test case writing only, you have to send to your colleague for a review. That peer review and all will happen in between. Then test execution is like execute all the test and just give the report. So if you're executing just written test cases, So like whenever you write test cases, you may not have that full idea of application, but when you are executing, you will get lot more test cases that also you have to add into the test cases when you are executing. Okay, so once you execute and you will get to know, you will get more like more understanding of the product, then you will raise all the bugs, everything. Okay, so once it is done, this test closure in the sense you have to send a report. So your stakeholders, developer or something, sometime they will say, these are all not bug, these are all feature only, this kind of stuff you will get back, that you have to sit and discuss in the meetings. Okay, so this is simple STLC requirement. Plan for that, write a test case environment. If there is setup you have to do, then execute and send report. So the simple SDLC, guys. Okay, I think you have understood this software testing life cycle, and we can see in the next videos like lot more topics. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel.